Hey my loves, welcome to my Get Ready With Me, where I show you how I get ready for my Valentine's Day.
Hey y'all, first things first, this is a collab video for me and one of my close friends, Rochelle, and make sure you guys stay tuned for my video, okay? We got something cooking up for y'all, okay? Stay tuned.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while. I am so sorry. Work has just been keeping me away from you guys. So also, this is a collab video with my good friend Heavenly. Her video will be linked down below. You guys don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe on her channel as well as mine. If you want to see how to get this look here, keep on watching. Love you guys. Bye-bye. Hey guys, so I apologize in advance for the construction. Pick the best day to do a talk through. So I'm going to start with my brows. I might be using the Cabral. I just bought it. It's in the shade 3.
Here I'm just filling in any sparse areas of my brows while keeping a natural look and shape to them.
So I don't know whose brows I just filled in because I didn't fill in mine, because that looks nice. This is popping. This is. We're gonna go in with Fawn from the LA Girl Pro Conceal, and let's just start to clean up this brow. And then I guess I can just kind of go in a little bit with the other brow. I mean, it doesn't really need it. It looks kind of perfect to me. This one is my problem child, as always. So you don't want to do too much.
Now I'm just taking a concealer brush and blending in any leftover concealer.
Imagine you think you're about to have two perfect brows, then boom. So now I'm going to go in with my Lorac eyeshadow primer. I don't really know what this one's called. I've had it for a while. It came with my Lorac Pro palette, but I will put the name of it down below. I'm going to go in with medium beige on top of my eyelids, just because I want the shadows to be a little bit more pigmented. Next, I'm going to go with my Modern Renaissance palette. Don't judge me. It gets used. And we're going to go in with the shade Raw Sienna and Burnt Oranges. We're going to go in with the shade Raw Sienna and Burnt Orange. And you just want to take a little bit of it just to set your concealer. love letter here. Go in just right below our transition shade, but not yet in the crease. And we're just gonna pat that in there and start to blend it inward, up and in. Then I'm gonna go in with the shade Venetian Red. Start to come down a little bit into the crease. Take it right under. Now I'm gonna go into my Subculture palette. I'm gonna grab the shade Rowdy here. And with a flat brush, just any kind of flat brush, we're gonna grab just a little bit. And then I'm just gonna place it on the outer corner. And I'm gonna blend it out. Now I'm gonna go back in the and we're gonna start to carve out our crease a little. Next, we're gonna grab the shade Burnt Orange again and Raw Sienna on the same blending brush. Sweep that.
And we're going to place that on top of the concealed area we set.
And blend it.
With a clean brush, I just went back over and blended in.
With a little bit of setting spray. I'm gonna go into Nude here from the Lorac Pro palette.
Now I'm just making sure where the two shades connect, blend flawlessly.
Then we're gonna take a little bit more of the shade Rowdy. I tend to get a little bit oily throughout the day, so I like to add a little bit of setting spray before. So I'm going to be using my MAC primer and a little bit more primer to my T-zone, just because while I am a little dry, throughout the day I tend to get some oil and my pores are extremely large. And I'm using my MAC Studio Fix Fluid in the shade NC46. This isn't really my shade. It's a little, it gives me like a bronze look, which I kind of like. But I'm normally NC45, which really isn't a big difference. Then I like to color correct because my dark circles are always popping. So I use the LA Girl Pro Conceal in orange, but I don't use a lot just because a little goes a long way with this. So I just kind of dab 4. With medium beige. Also, I add a little bit on the back of my hand, as you can see. So if I need to go back into it, I can. I'll also go down the sides of my nose just to add a little bit more highlight, so my contour is a little bit more natural. Then I get my Sacha Buttercup setting powder and I add a little bit under the eye. So I'll take about that much and just kind of pat it in there. And I don't leave this on long, I just leave it on long enough to set the area. We're gonna contour. Is the shade Dark Cocoa from my LA Girl Pro Conceal. You know, and because you know my face is a little bit more round, I like to start a little bit higher than the cheek, the hollows of my cheeks, and bring it down. Contour got a little bit messy, just a smidge. So I'm just gonna take a little bit, just a little bit, and go right up under. Again, not gonna leave this on too long. Remove some of that setting powder from under my eye. I'm gonna go in with AnGLOWla, sis. And I use a little powder brush like this, and I just kind of go in here. Can we just talk about my brow right now? Like, you gotta look, eat them up good, sis. Eat them up good, girl. Alright. Then I'm gonna go back in and brush off my blush. I'm using my e.l.f. palette in the shade Light. I don't know if you guys can see it. Then I'm just gonna take a little bit and then just put it on the apples. We're going to add some mascara. I'm using Superhero by It's Cosmetics. With a little bit of AnGLOWla. Y'all, did you just see what happened? I'm gonna go into the Modern Renaissance with Vermeer, and I'm gonna take a little bit of that and add it into my inner corner just to brighten it up. I didn't find any of my brown liners. They have sprouted legs at some point. Use my MAC eyebrow pencil in Spite. Don't judge me. going to take Bare It All by Wet n Wild. Kind of brush it on there, not really too much. It's a really pale pink, as you can see. And lastly, I'm going to use my Taraji P Henson gloss over top. I hope you guys enjoyed. Just keep on watching, there's more to come.
So this is the completed look, you guys. The dress is from Russe. It's in a size 1X. I typically wear like a 2 or 3X in their clothes, so this dress was the perfect fit. The fur was a gift, so I can't really remember where exactly it came from. My shoes are from Payless, of course. Gotta cheap out somewhere. And that's it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you all have a great Valentine's Day or Galentine's Day. And you guys be sure to wrap it up and let all that you do be done in love.